Hi, in today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to upload a video using Squarespace. So first of all, of course, you'd like to open any browser you're gonna use to follow the tutorial steps. Of course, in this tutorial, I'm using Brave. You can use other browsers such as Google Chrome, Opera, Microsoft's Edge, maybe Brave like me, or any other browser you could be possibly using. Then you would like to open it as we said, then go here to the URL and type squarespace.com, then hit the enter button. And of course here you will find yourself on the main/home screen. Of course you would like to create your account if it's your first time and choose a website or a template that you would like to edit on. So for me, I already have that. I'm just going here to my account and I will find myself here on my dashboard, of course. So I'm just going here to a random website that I have in my dashboard. Of course, let's go to this first one that's named test, and of course here all I need to do is simply go in and add a sector. So just scroll down, like look for this sector. So let's sorry, first of all, of course you would like to click at edit, right? Then here you would like to click at add section, not sector, and I would like to add a blank section, sorry, I don't know why I keep saying sector. So then you'd like to click at add block here, and as we said, we would like to upload a video. So all we need to do, just go and click at the video option here, and of course as you can see we have like this like a video, so double click on that, and of course you can add a video. So of course it's just 30 minutes max, so if you click on that you can upload it or add it from a link on YouTube or Vimeo. Of course, if you have it, click at upload and they will take you. Of course, you can add whatever video you want from here. So that will actually be for the tutorial. I hope you like it. Thanks for watching and goodbye.